The next administration go inherit better country. Now President Muhammadu Buhari na talk this one. Oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari don talk say anybody when go take over from am go inherit country when better economy dey, ogbonge security and correct democracy. He talk this one for one dinner when they organize to celebrate 2022 Committee of Business, Political, Media and Civil Society Leaders. Oga Presido talk say happy say big people don dey collabo to make sure say Nigeria better.
This initiative you have taken is very good. I wish you have taken it much earlier.
Oga Presido say administration stand gidigba to make sure say them finish well.
Those resources we had, if we had invested in agriculture, clearly there wouldn't have been any need for fighting for oil.
Presido come see chook mouth for the matter when it concern as military they use force carry power for some African countries.
Nigeria is equal to the rest of ECOWAS put together. We have gone through that. We have passed that stage for good.
The organizer of this 2022 committee, Unduka Ogbaegbena, and Governor of Ekiti State, Kayode Fayemi, talk say wetin this committee they do na to join hands with government to make sure say they provide solutions to the problem when Nigeria dey face.
To defend the national interest. And the 2022 committee is put together to do just that, defend Nigeria at a time of crisis and at a time of transition.
Mr. President, this committee wants to take advantage of your consistent leadership, relentless passion and patriotism to figure out how to accelerate things and ensure that the transition is seamless in a manner that can build on the gains that we have made in the course of your time in office.
Matthew Ajakaye, TMC TV News.